So question is, a metal rod AB of length 10x has its one end A in ice at 0 degree centigrade and the other end B in water at 100 degree centigrade. Okay, so first in solution we can draw a rod and its end A and B. The temperature of rod end A is 0 degree centigrade and B is 100 degree centigrade. Okay, and B is water at 100 degree centigrade. If a point P on the rod is maintained at 400 degree centigrade, then it is found that equal amount of water and ice evaporate and melt per unit time. Okay, so we can consider a point P. The temperature of point P is 400 degree centigrade and is the latent pressure is the point P is the distance of lambda x from the point end A. Okay, the distance of point P from the end A is given lambda x. Now, as said in the question, that the equal amount of water and ice evaporate. So the temperature of the end A is maintained at 0 degree centigrade. So the heat given to the ice at the end A is utilized in converting the ice into the liquid. So heat required to melt the ice is okay, Q is ml. L is given atm. This is the heat required to melt the ice at the end A. Okay, now heat required to evaporate the water is nothing but Q is equals to ml of evaporation, then heat of melting or fusion, you can say 540 m. Okay, so in this question it is Q1, it is Q2, that we know temperature, the heat flown from the point P to the point A is given as dq by dt is equals to Ka delta T or dt, we can say in this case, by x. Okay, so dq by dt we get from here is K is same 400 upon lambda x, and similarly for the end B, for B, Ka delta T upon x. Ka is the same since the material of the rod is same, and delta T is in this case 400 minus 100, and you can say 300 upon the total distance of not to give 10x. Okay, so the total distance is 10x, so it is nothing but 10 minus lambda x. Okay, so it is nothing but 540 m. 544 and A is atm. Sorry, atm. Ka 400 by lambda x, and in this case it is 540 m. In this case it is 540 m, and Ka into 300 by 10 minus lambda x. Now, since the mass is same, so we can write it as we can cross multiply 80 and 540 respectively, since the mass is same in both the case, because here given found that equal amount of water and ice evaporate. So equal amount, that means equal mass. Now according to question, Ka into 400 upon lambda x into 80 is equals to Ka into 300 upon 10 minus lambda x into 540. Cancelling the terms, we get 0442 18 9. Okay, so finally what we get here, 1 by lambda is 1 by 10 minus lambda into 9. So cross multiplying we get 9 lambda and equals to 9. It is our answer. Thank you.